Alright guys, so I just put some mousse on and I just combed it. Well, actually brushed it. So I like having a part that way people can see my scalp, and makes it hard to detect that I have this awesome LaVivid hair system, excuse me. But it is really one of the best investments I have ever made for myself, and I'll keep using this system. LaVivid is probably the best on the market, and truly happy with it. This is the new one I just had put on, and I'm thinking of playing around with some color for the summer, probably going a little lighter brown with some highlights, so that's going to be fun. Probably with a different density and probably with some curls, so look out for that one. All right, catch you guys later.